Akiheana itua riri, mucirithania Bernard Ochoi augite ati mũmbunge wa Embakasi ya irathĩro Babu Owina na DJ Evolve mari arata mbere ya mutino uyu kuhanika kirabu-ini kimwe mwena wa Kilimani Nairobi, na ati urata uyu no uthiĩte na mbere ona thutha ucio. Oho, igoti rikauga ati mũmbunge uyu ni akoretwo akirugamirira maundu matiganite muturire-ini wa DJ Evolve, kuona ati riu DJ uyu ndahotete kwirugamirira ringi kuma arathwo na mushinga.
And to a large extent, the court has said it has to put the interest of the victim above anyone else. It has actually stated that it is only Babu Owina who is actually taking care of the victim, and any other way would mean that you are actually subjecting the victim to turmoil, actually going against the interest of the victim.
Ni undu wa maundu maya, igoti rietikira ihoya ria DJ Evolve kuruta ciira uyu igoti-ini, na rigathie na mbere kuga ati uyu ni ciira muthitangwo na muthitangani mangiiguithaniria nja wa igoti.
Taking all the above into account, I have come to the conclusion that this is a matter where the court should encourage reconciliation as envisaged in the Constitution, and therefore I will allow the request to withdraw the charges against the accused in count 1.
Ona gukire oguo, thitango ya keri ciira-ini uyu ya Owina guikara atari na kihariro riria akuite mushinga no igutwarithio na mbere ni igoti. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.